Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate risk management with FutureAdvisor, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin automating risk management with FutureAdvisor, first, visit the FutureAdvisor website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button and entering your personal details. Once registered, log in to your new account to access the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard to understand where the key features. Navigate to the Risk Assessment section to start evaluating your current financial situation. Complete the risk assessment questionnaire provided by FutureAdvisor. This questionnaire will help gauge your risk tolerance and investment goals. After submitting the assessment, review your personalized risk profile. Next, head over to the Portfolio Allocation tab. Here, FutureAdvisor will suggest an optimal asset allocation based on your risk profile. If you agree with the suggested allocation, proceed to the next step. Access the Automated Management section to enable automated trading features. Set your investment preferences, including asset classes and rebalancing frequency. Review the automated strategies FutureAdvisor offers for managing your portfolio. Select the strategies that align best with your financial goals. Once you've selected your strategies, confirm your choices. Monitor your portfolio regularly through the dashboard to track performance. Adjust your preferences as needed based on market conditions or personal changes. Utilize the reporting tools provided by FutureAdvisor to generate performance summaries. Stay informed about any market changes that might affect your risk profile. Regularly revisit your risk assessment to ensure it aligns with your current financial situation. By effectively automating these processes, you can enhance your risk management strategy with FutureAdvisor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.